So in this lesson, we are going to do a trigonometry equations, and we're going to consider like a triangle like this one. Suppose you have a triangle like this one. This right triangle. Yeah, this is 90 degrees. This is angle theta. Angle theta. Here we have A here, and then this is B. This is C. And then the hypotenuse here A, and this one should be this one is C, and of course now this is B. Let's now try to say sin theta of this angle. Sin theta of this angle can be cos 90 degrees minus sin angle theta, which is A all over B. Now let's consider now for the cos theta. Cos angle theta, this should be sine 90 degrees minus theta, which now this is C over B. For the case of tan of that angle, again this will be sine, which is opposite of the sin theta all over cos theta, which automatically this translate to A all over C. And this should be like the general rule of the trigonometry in terms of cos and sine. Now let us now try to do an example of try to get sine and tan of angle 130 for sin theta. For sine 130, yeah, sin 130 degrees, this will be like we did do sin of 130, this will be sin, it's like sin of 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. The numerical value for the sin 130 is the same as that of sin theta. So numerical value for 130, sin 130 is the same as numerical value for sin 50. Since 130 degrees is an angle in the second quadrant, it is the sine, so sin must be positive. So sin 130, this will be like the sin of 50, and again degrees, of course. Now this is direct, the sin of 50 is 0.766. Now suppose now I go and look for, sorry, this line is now we need to spell it here for clean work. Suppose now I want to look for cos 130. So cos 130 degrees, this will be like cos 180 again minus 50 degrees. Now it's also to say the same as cos 50 degrees. This now again translate to direct cos of that 0.6428. Similarly for tan 130 degrees, this will be tan 180 minus 50 degrees, which is negative Now this is since 130 is in the second quadrant, it is the tangent must be negative. So it's the second quadrant of the whole circle of the trigonometry. This will be negative 50 degrees. Now this is gonna be tan 130 is the same as negative tan 50 degrees, which is equals to negative 1.1918. Alternatively, remember we say tan angle, this one, we say angle tan this, almost is sine the same as tan sine theta over cos theta. But remember, now this tan theta is on tan 130 is negative quadrant of 50, is similarly saying like tan 130 is equals to sine 50 or negative cos 50, which is the same as this value here again. Hope you understand and agree on this. We can compute the values and compute this value sine. You can compute this value here for the sine here, divided by this negative cos of this one. Automatically will give us again this value here. Until next time, we're gonna talk more on trigonometry.